Hello, thank you for downloading and installing the Adisseo MilkSmart app. In this short video, I will demonstrate the screens and functionality of this decision-making tool. The simulations generated are based on a mathematical algorithm that was developed by Adisseo's technical services team, working in coordination with university professors and private consultants. Before I start navigating the different screens, I want to make you aware of the need for an internet connection to run simulations with our app. Although the engine that powers the calculations is sitting on a private and secure server in the cloud, the scenarios you generate are not being stored anywhere. Our team is working to add a new feature that will allow you to save these scenarios in your own device and eventually print or share them via email. Once you launch the app, you will come to the home screen. From here you have four options: input data, reports, about, and help. The help button opens a screen that contains basic instructions to operate the model and a link to a dedicated website containing supporting information for MilkSmart. The about button opens a similar screen with descriptive information. The reports button is not active yet, but it will be your access to saving, printing, or comparing scenarios created with our app. The main button in this screen is input data. When you tap on this button, a new screen opens, and in this screen you will see a form that will allow you to define general information about your operation. You can work with the suggested parameters, or you can create your own scenario by entering new values. To modify the original values, just tap on the desired field and type a new number. All fields in the app work in this way. The only exception is the rolling hair average. This field has a range of preset values for you to select and continue building your scenario. So to use this field, just tap on this arrow and you will open the drop-down menu that contains a range of values from where you can select the number you want to use. Once you do that, tap on OK and continue editing the fields. Once you have completed this first section, tap on the Adjust Formulation button on the left-hand side. This will open a screen where you can define parameters associated to dry matter consumption for cows in different stages of the lactation cycle. To work with this section, just select the desired stage and then adjust the parameters. If at any point you want to reset fields to the suggested default value, just tap on the Reset button. After finishing with this section, close the form using the Close button or tapping outside the screen. The next step is to adjust milk components. Open the form using this button and adjust values the same way you did in the previous module. Once you are done with this, close the form and move to the next section. The last module allows you to adjust health management cost. Open the form and adjust parameters as needed. Once you're done, close the form. To see the results, tap on the Calculate Results button. To see the results, tap on the Calculate Results button. This will bring you to the output screen that shows a summary of the benefits of working with Adisseo's Balancing for Amino Acids program. You can also see the information per cow by tapping on this button, or per herd, tapping on the second one. To continue editing fields, just go back to the input data and modify parameters as needed so you can start answering the question, what if I have a different value for all these fields? At any point, you can use the Reset to Default Values button to reestablish the suggested numbers for every parameter. I would like to bring your attention to a series of icons at the bottom of your screen. These icons will give you access to the different sections of this app. The number one, pencil, will bring you to the input data screen. This button will bring you to the home screen. This icon will open the help screen. And this one will bring you to the about section. In the help section, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you will find a link that will take you to the Adisseo MilkSmart website. In this website, you will find relevant information that will assist you to navigate and create scenarios using the Adisseo MilkSmart app. You can also use the website to contact us with any question you might have. Thank you very much for your interest. We will be looking forward to hearing from you.